Hey y'all, today is a very special day for me. If you watched the introduction video to the people that are benefactors of the homes that we build for them, the Wounded Warriors, if you watch the introduction video, I promised y'all that I was going to grab these guys one at a time and bring them in the kitchen and cook with them. This is Travis Strong. And he lost both legs in Baghdad.
Baghdad, yes.
In Baghdad. What year?
2006.
Was that? 2006.
Yeah.
So you've been at this a good while, hadn't you?
A little bit. Yeah, a little bit.
But he has made the most of it, y'all. Look at this man. Show him your muscles. Holy camole! I wouldn't want to get in a fight with him.
No.
So he is in the process of being a recipient of one of the homes that we build for Wounded Warriors, for a little thanks of them doing what they do for the rest of us in this country. And these homes are designed to match whatever disability they came back with. You know, some are blind, some are triple amputees, some are just a single amputee, double amputees, fire, have been real badly burned in fires. So it's just wonderful that we can do that for Travis. And he loves to cook, so he's even designing his own kitchen in his home. When are they expecting you to be in it, Travis?
They're talking hopefully around Thanksgiving to Christmas time frame.
Perfect, just in time for you to cook your hiney off.
Exactly.
For everybody.
Yes, it's gonna be good.
And you'll have so many friends show up.
Yes.
So I had asked Travis earlier in conversation, do you like savory or sweet stuff? And what do you prefer cooking?
I can cook anything. I like to cook all kinds of stuff, but I'm really kind of a sweets person. I love sweets. So.
That's all I had to hear, honey. That's all I had to hear. So I checked with him and said, how does an angel chocolate mousse pie sound? And you said that sounded good.
Really good.
And you know, chocolate pie, it's one of those American foods.
Yes.
Like Mama's apple pie, chocolate pie. So that's what we're going to make today. And, you know, the other day when I came up with this recipe, I didn't realize that it was going to be rain, and more rain, Travis, because meringue usually will not make on a rainy day.
Well.
And at 5 o'clock, it was raining cats and dogs this morning.
It's not real humid.
Yeah, so that's what I'm hoping, Eddie. All right, so we've got 3 egg whites. And instead of having a regular crust, Travis, this crust is going to be made from the meringue.
Gotcha.
Okay, and I tell you what, let me see if I can slide down. If you could toast those pecans for me, that would be great. And you have to watch them. Is that uncomfortable for you?
No, it's fine. It's all good.
Yeah, just throw them in there. And nuts will burn real quick, like, you know.
Right, I'll watch them.
So here we go. We're beating our 3 egg whites. And then we're slowly going to add the cream of tartar. We're slowly going to add the sugar and the cream of tartar. And hopefully this cream of tartar will guarantee a stiff meringue. All right, so seems to be working, Eddie. Now that was a 1/2 cup of sugar. And a teaspoon of cream of tartar. And the recipe doesn't call for vanilla, but just a drop. because vanilla is good in everything. All right, so the key, the key to making this meringue, Travis, is it's ready when you can pick those beaters up
Okay.
and none of the egg white falls back in the bowl.
Gotcha. Never made meringue before, so that's good to know.
I love like meringue cookies. They're so good. Okay, that's probably been a few minutes, isn't it?
Yep.
I think that'll be good. So we're gonna go back down here and we're gonna make this we're gonna put this crust in our dish. So tell us a little bit about yourself. Where do you live?
Right now living down in Dallas, Texas.
I love the state of Texas. Yes. I don't like the heat, but
Heat
I feel such a kinship with the Texas women. You know, it's like we're cut from the same cloth.
Yeah.
But so anyway, tell us all about it.
Well, I moved down to Texas. I used to live up in Colorado, and I moved down to Texas to be with my fiance, and then also to be a part of a gym that's down there. It's a nonprofit gym. It's called the Adaptive Training Foundation, and we teach. We help people who have any kind of a disability, whether it be limb loss or neurological conditions or spinal cord injuries or anything kind of like that. We train them. We train them both physically and mentally, and trying to get them strong and get them mentally strong.
And so, is that one of the ways you have found, like, you could handle what happened to you in Baghdad?
I think with what happened to me, it puts any of us that have been injured into a unique position to where now that we can help other people who are kind of struggling.
Yes.
I mean, I was injured, close to almost 20 years ago. It's been going on, I think 17 years.
No.
And so for me to be able to help some of these guys that are just recently injured, where they feel like they're just struggling and they're like, they don't know what they can do. They don't know how they can do things.
Right.
And then here I am.
You come in and show them.
And show them life's not over, right? There's still tons more stuff that you can do. And that's what I just love doing that.
That's wonderful. Another way that you give to mankind.
Yes.
Okay, so our nuts that you roasted for us have cooled down, so I think it'll be safe now to add them to our meringue. If you want to just take that spatula and I'm going to just pour them in. If you'll fold that in, then we're going to make our pie crust. And you see the way he's doing it, y'all? To fold, you go down, over, down, and over. Especially when you're working with things like, doesn't it look like divinity?
Yeah, it looks so good.
I could eat it right now.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
How much?
Perfect. That's good. They just mixed in. So if you want to go ahead and put them in our, on top of everything that's good in Travis's life, he also has a fiance. And his fiance has a 10-year-old son named Gabe. Is his name Gabe?
Yes, it is.
And that he just loves. So I think everybody should be institutionalized. So I'm glad to hear that you're going to join the institution.
Yep.
Okay, darling, let's see. We'll kind of... That's wonderful. So you'll have your new home.
Yes.
And have a place to bring your family. And little Gabe is so lucky to have
He's an awesome
you
kid.
As a role model.
Yeah. He is a very, very good kid.
That's wonderful. So he's one of those that's easy to love.
Yes. Oh, definitely.
Okay, I'm going to kind of just This is gonna puff all up, but when we pull it out, as it cools, it'll deflate.
Okay.
But we're gonna put this in the oven on 275, and we're gonna bake it for 1 hour.
Gotcha.
He calls for 2 cups of whipping cream, whipped.
There you go.
So to me, I like to sweeten my whipped cream. So I usually use a cup of heavy cream, 1/4 of a cup of sugar. So
That's gonna be good.
this is 1/3 of a cup. So I'm not gonna make it quite as sweet as I normally would, but we just gonna whip, whip, whip. And Teresa has got our chocolate chips, a 12-ounce package of chocolate chips, and with 6 tablespoons of water, and she's melting that in the microwave. We're gonna let that cool, and we're gonna fold it into our whipped cream, and our pie is gonna be ready.
Nice. Sounds good.
This is perfect. You on a finger?
Oh yeah.
Tell me if that's sweet enough.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Yep.
So we'll put this back in the refrigerator. All right, you strong man with
Just
the
fold
big
it in, huh?
muscles.
All right.
You want to fold that in. Yes. Looking good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's looking really good.
Yes. It's important, though, that you let that chocolate cool before you go to fold it in to your whipped cream, because you don't want that whipped cream to break down. Look how chocolatey that's getting, Travis.
Yeah, that's gonna be good.
Frost your pie, baby. Frost your pie.
All right, just put it on.
Well, not all at one time, but you
Yeah.
know, just try to make it pretty. Can you make it pretty?
I can try.
I
will try.
I know you can. Yes.
All right, so
Here, you want me to give you room to.
just spread it across.
No, I'll just kind of do
Gotcha.
this with the knife, and you just keep digging it out and putting it on.
Okay.
It definitely separated from the pan. So perfect, perfect, perfect. Yes. Come on, baby.
Yep,
Sock
more.
it to me, sock it to me. I hate it shrunk from the pie pan because it doesn't look as pretty,
Yeah.
you know,
Well,
but
it's all going down the same place.
I was going to say.
It's going down.
Yum. This is really moussey. Thank
All
you,
right.
darling. You have done a
About it.
fabulous job. Let me help you get that off. And you have done a wonderful job.
Cool.
See, that's pretty. Just take a knife, kind of swirl it in.
Okay.
Isn't that pretty?
It's gonna be good.
And then we're gonna sprinkle it with a few more nuts.
Okay. That's good. That's good.
And it's gonna go in the fridge. Ain't that pretty? Travis does pretty work.
I do. I do.
Yes, you do. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.